Topic in our syllabus is amines. Amines are classified into two types, aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Both aliphatic and aromatic amines, again they are classified into three types. They are primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Primary amine means it contains only one alkyl group, here CH3, CH2, NH2, that is ethanamine. Here only one phenyl group is present, so this is the example for primary aromatic amine. Secondary amine means here two alkyl groups are present, CH3, NH, CH3. Name of the compound is N-methyl methanamine. And this amine is example for secondary simple amine. Simple amine means both the alkyl groups are same here. Secondary mixed amines, for example CH3, NH, CH2, CH3. Name of this compound is N-methyl ethanamide. Here the alkyl group attached to the NH groups are different. Here it is methyl group, here it is ethyl group. So this is the example for secondary mixed amine. The same way for aromatic amines, C6H5, NH, C6H5. This is aromatic secondary simple amine. Name of this compound is N-phenyl benzamine. One more example for secondary amine, that is C6H5, NH, CH3. And this is the example for aromatic secondary mixed amine, because the groups which is attached to the amino groups are different. So name of this compound is N-phenyl methanamine. Next one is tertiary amine. First one is example for simple amines, that is N, CH3, CH3, CH3. Name of this compound is N, N dimethyl methanamine. Because two methyl groups attached to the nitrogen atom, and this is the termed as the methylamine. So N, N dimethyl methanamine. And example for mixed tertiary amine, that is N, CH2, CH3, CH3, here CH, CH3, CH3. Name of this compound, here to the nitrogen atom, one here this is the parent hydrocarbon. To this second position we will have the amino compound. This amino group is, again it is have two substituent, one is one ethyl group, another one is the methyl group. So name of this compound is N-ethyl, N-methyl propane 2-amine or 2-propane amine. See here, this is the parent hydrocarbon, 3 carbon atom is there, so parent name is propane. To the second carbon, this nitrogen atom is attached, so 2-amine, and here 2 substituent is attached to the nitrogen atom, so the name of the compound is N-ethyl, N-methyl propane 2-amine. An example for tertiary aromatic amine, N, C6H5, and this is C6H5, and this is also C6H5. All the three groups are same, so this is the example for tertiary aromatic simple amine. Name of the compound is N, N diphenyl benzamine. An example for aromatic mixed amine, tertiary mixed amine N C6H5, and this is CH3 and CH2CH3. See, the three groups attached to the nitrogen atoms are different. So this is the example for aromatic tertiary mixed amine. Name of the compound is N-methyl N-phenyl ethanamine. That's all about the classification of amines compound. Next we will discuss the nomenclature. The first compound, so name of this compound is 1, 2, 3 carbon atom is present. So the parent name is propane. In second carbon the amino group is attached, NH2 group is attached. So name of this compound is propane 2 amine. Second compound, here CH2 6, so 6 carbon atom is there. 6 carbon means the root word is hexane. 2 amino group is attached, so name of the compound is 1,6, because this first carbon and the sixth carbon contains the amino group, NH2 group. So 1,6 hexane diamine. Next one is third compound 1, 2, 3. This is the root word. Root word name is propane. The second carbon contains the methyl group. So name of this compound is N-methyl propane 2 amine. N-methyl propane 2 amine. Next compound 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom is present. So root word is butane, and here two substituents are there. Both the substituents are ethyl group. So the name of the compound is N, N diethyl butane 1 amine. Next compound, here to the nitrogen atom 2 methyl group is attached. So name of this compound is N, N dimethyl benzamide. Next one is to this is considered the root word. So here only one carbon is present, and to that carbon one phenyl ring is attached. So name of the compound is phenyl methanamine. Next we will discuss about the structure of amine. The structure of amines is more or less similar to the structure of ammonia. Here the nitrogen atom, like ammonia, this nitrogen atom undergo sp3 hybridization. So sp3 hybridization, so among the 4 sp3 hybridized orbital, 3 orbitals involved in the bond formation. So 3 orbitals overlap with the carbon, orbitals of carbon, and form the sigma bonds. And one orbital which is not involved in the bond formation, which contains the lone pair of electrons. Like ammonia, in amine also they contain the orbital which contain the lone pair of electrons. Due to the presence of the lone pair of electrons, this amines compound get the geometry, that is pyramidal geometry. Pyramidal geometry. And here, because of the presence of lone pair of electrons, the bond angle is less than the normal tetrahedral bond angle. So normal tetrahedral bond angle means that is 109.5 This is the normal tetrahedral bond angle. But here, due to the presence of this lone pair of electrons, the bond angle is reduced and it is 108 in amines and 107 in ammonia. But compared to ammonia, there is a slight increase in the bond angle. This is due to the presence of bulky methyl group. So because of the presence of this bulky methyl group, the repulsive force is acting between the groups, so that there is a slight increase in the bond angle.